Asmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Asmi? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'm going to ask you lots of questions. You will reply. Okay. Quickly, you will reply all the questions. Okay. So do you go to market?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes.
Okay. Full answer give me. Okay. Do you play football?
No, ma'am. I don't play football.
Okay. Do you cook food?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I cook food.
Okay. Do you like dancing?
No, ma'am. I don't like dancing, but I like to see dancing.
Okay. Do you like singing?
Yes, ma'am. I like to sing.
Okay. Do you read any storybook?
Yes, ma'am. I read storybooks every day.
Okay. Do you drive a bicycle? Do you drive a car?
No, ma'am. I don't drive a car, but I am learning.
Okay. Do you talk to your best friend daily?
No, ma'am. I don't talk to my best friends daily.
Okay. Do you watch English cartoon?
No, ma'am. I don't watch English cartoons, but I listen English videos.
Okay. Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, ma'am, I celebrate my birthday.
Do you go to school?
No, ma'am, not now. I go to school in the when it is not holiday.
Okay. Means now summer vacation is going on. Okay. So do you drink juice?
Yes, ma'am, I drink juice sometime.
Okay. Does your mother go to market?
No, ma'am, my mother doesn't go to market.
Okay. Does your father go to market?
Yes, ma'am, my father goes to market.
Okay. Does your best friend meet you every week?
No, ma'am, my best friend doesn't meet me every week.
Okay. Does your teacher punish you?
No, ma'am, my teacher doesn't punish me.
Okay. Uh, do I like you?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Okay, that's good. Don't you like me?
Ma'am, I like you very much.
Okay. Do you learn English?
Yes, ma'am, I learn English.
Okay. Uh, are you talking?
Yes, ma'am, I am talking to you.
Are you laughing?
No, ma'am, I am not laughing now.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, ma'am, I am enjoying.
Are you learning English?
Yes, ma'am, I am learning English.
Okay. Are you thinking something?
Yes, ma'am, I am thinking of something.
Are they talking to you?
No, ma'am, they are not talking to me.
Are they coming today?
No, ma'am, they are not coming today.
Okay. Are they going somewhere?
No, ma'am, they are not going anywhere.
Okay. Is she talking to you?
Yes, ma'am, she is talking to me.
Okay. Uh, 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 is he uh, staring you? Staring
Ma'am,
at
can you
you?
repeat the question?
Is he staring at you?
Yes, ma'am, he is staring at me.
Okay. Am I disturbing you?
No, ma'am, you are not disturbing me.
Okay. Am I talking to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are talking to me.
Okay. So aren't you going school these days?
No, ma'am, I am not going to school these days.
Okay. Are you thinking something right now?
Yes, ma'am, I am thinking of something now.
Okay. Uh, are you happy?
Yes, ma'am, I am very happy.
Are you sad?
No, ma'am, I am not sad now.
Will you be sad?
No, ma'am, I will not be sad. I won't be sad.
Okay. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Okay. Are you in your uh, bedroom?
No, ma'am, I am not in my bedroom.
Okay. Are you in your study room?
Yes, ma'am, I am in my study room.
Okay. Are you with someone?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Are you with someone?
Yes, ma'am, I am with my elder sister.
Okay. Are you in a hurry?
No, ma'am, I am not in a hurry.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, ma'am, I am a student.
Okay. Is she a girl?
Yes, ma'am, she is a girl.
Is she there with you?
Yes, ma'am, she is with me.
Okay. Okay. Is that, is she happy?
Yes, ma'am, she is happy.
Okay. Is she your cousin?
Yes, ma'am, she is my cousin.
Okay. Have you had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am, I have had my lunch.
Okay. Have you completed your homework?
No, ma'am, I have not completed my homework.
Okay. Have you have you purchased chocolate?
No, ma'am, I haven't purchased chocolates.
Okay. Have you learned something new from this class?
Yes, ma'am, I learned something new from this class.
Yes, I have learned something. Okay. Has she threatened you?
No, ma'am, she hasn't threatened me.
Okay. Uh, how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English since November.
Okay. Have you been learning English for many days?
Yes, ma'am, I have been learning English since many days. For
Okay.
many days.
Okay. Have you been laughing for half an hour?
No, ma'am, I haven't been laughing for half an hour.
Have you been talking to me for 10 minutes?
Yes, ma'am, I have been talking to you for 10 minutes.
Okay. Has it been raining since morning?
No, ma'am, it hasn't been raining since morning.
Okay. Are you not sad?
No, ma'am, I am not sad.
Okay. Is she not your best friend?
No, ma'am, she is not my best friend.
Okay. Am I a teacher?
Yes, ma'am, you are a teacher.
Am I wrong?
No, ma'am, you are not wrong.
Are you on the bus?
No, ma'am, I am not on the bus.
Okay. Uh, have I been talking to you for many days?
Yes, ma'am, you have been talking to me for many days.
Okay. So many questions I have asked you, Asmi,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
replied very well. Okay, that's good. Okay. So I will ask who all are ready to answer this type of questions? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So how
Yes,
how
ma'am.
was Asmi's performance?
I'm very well.
Very well. Yes, Asmi, you did very well. Means that you replied very well all the questions what